A former prostitute is suing the state and the cop she claims raped her, saying her civil rights were violated. She claims the officer used his power to force her to do things. News 13's Amanda Goodman is in the Newsplex with the story.
Kim, the criminal case against Timothy Carlson for rape, bribery, and extortion may have stalled, but the civil cases against him keep stacking up.
Another day, another lawsuit against Tim Carlson.
He would drive by and pick her up and demand sex. And he would threaten her that if she didn't perform sexual acts on him, that he would arrest her.
Carlson was a DPS officer who worked in the Special Investigations Division at the time. SID agents are responsible for enforcing liquor and gambling laws. Shannon Kennedy is representing the former prostitute Carlson is accused of raping.
Because it's objectively unreasonable for police officers to have sex with prostitutes who are struggling with drug addiction.
They filed a civil rights suit against him and the state, claiming in part Carlson should have never even been a police officer.
That he had been previously charged with rape in Tacoma, Washington. And that was in 1999.
According to the lawsuit, Carlson's first encounter with the woman came in late 2011. He picked her up at least 3 other times and had sex with her in the backseat of his unmarked police car. No money was exchanged.
There was a search warrant of his police unit done in which they did a search of the biological fluids throughout his car. And it lit up like a disco ball.
Kennedy says her client reported Carlson to Albuquerque police because she was becoming more and more scared of him. It was through her help officers were finally able to arrest Carlson in March of 2012.
Well, he should be prosecuted to the full extent of the law. I mean, he is a rapist.
The charges against Carlson have been dropped for now, but the DA's office says his case is still under review. He was fired from DPS and voluntarily gave up his law enforcement certification. The woman is no longer on the streets. Kim?
Okay, thanks, Amanda. Now, a former SID officer is also suing Carlson and DPS, saying when he told higher-ups about Carlson and the prostitutes, he was fired.